Friends, Running Kimono here. We have another exciting week over at Walgreens for the week of April the 14th to the 20th. Lots of really great deals here, and if you're a new Walgreens shopper, easy deals as well. First thing, go to your digital coupons folder, and there are a couple boosters that popped up. I believe these showed up Wednesday night. We have a 7 back when you spend 35. I also have a 7 back when you spend 40 on my second card, and then a 7 back when you spend 30 on allergies, and that's going right till May the 5th. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, including all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, April the 14th. We're just looking at deals. I've been doing this forever, so I kind of have a grasp of how things will play out, but if there might be an error or another coupon published, look for it on Sunday the 14th in the ad. First thing I want to talk about is the old IBOTTA rebate app. There's $1 for those Breaks jelly beans, and right now Easter candy is 80% off. If you could line up the right jelly beans, that's $1 back per bag. You probably can get some for a freebie and a moneymaker. I believe the Easter candy will be out throughout this weekend, and they're probably going to box it up a little bit after that. But definitely, if you like jelly beans, try and use this rebate. Now, there's a product by Asper Cream. It's for the feet, found in the foot aisle, and it's on 90% off clearance for $1.49. We currently have a $3 IBOTTA rebate, so that would make it right there like a little bit of a moneymaker and a free item. However, if you can track down 2, there's a $5 register reward printing, as this is a pain or health product, and that has been printing for many. So if you could track down 2 of them, guys, and clearance is always, your mileage may vary, so hopefully yours is also on clearance. 2 of them would be $2.98. Get back a $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $6 back. It makes this a freebie and an $8 moneymaker. Hello, fantastic deal. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn that register reward. I recommend you have to do this one in store because it has to do with clearance and a register reward, but what a deal if you can track this down. Okay, so now we're looking at a deal for the men's Dove body wash priced at $7, $4 reward when you buy 2, and we probably have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. IBOTTA also has $2 back for each product. However, we must scan the barcode Sunday morning what is and is not attaching. So 2 of these for $14, subtracting your digital coupon, pay $10, get back a $4 register reward. Are you getting $4 back from IBOTTA? We'll have to wait and see till Sunday morning how that plays out. It makes it $2 for 2 or $1 per body wash, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But this gets a bit sweeter because the Fetch Rewards app is actually giving back 4,000 points when you spend 15. And it's Dove Men's, and it's at Walgreens only. So photograph your receipt to that app for extra points. You're going to get almost to that $15 mark. And if you have not signed up for this wonderful app, check out the link in the notes. When you submit your first receipt, it could be on anything. A cheeseburger you bought this afternoon, you're given an extra $1 when you use my referral code. Still in the family of Dove Men's, let's grab 2 of the men's dry spray for $14. We have another 4 off 2 digital coupon, $2 reward when you buy 2. So it's on a different promotion than the first. So if you wanted to buy the body wash in this, same 2 different register rewards would print for you. But anyhow, 2 of these Dove Men's dry sprays is $14 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $10, get back one $2 register reward, and at this point, you're going to qualify for the 4K back from the Fetch Rewards app, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per dry spray. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but a great little deal to stock up on some of these men's meat and potato HBA products. We're looking at a buy one, get 2 for free on Arm & Hammer. These are the chintzier bottles, so if you're going for the scent boosters or the packs, much better deal. But it's usually like $7.79 for 3, or shakes it out to $2 and some change per product, so not the worst price point. I prefer $1.99, but if you need some Arm & Hammer, definitely stock up for this deal. Yet another freebie with the Crest products at $3 a pop, $3 reward when you buy 2, and we have another 3 off 2 digital coupon. That math lines up to free. So grabbing 2 of these Crest products is probably the toothpaste that are going to be the cheaper price. 2 for $6. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $3 out of pocket. Get back a $3 register reward, making it free. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward, but who doesn't love a little bit of free toothpaste? I certainly do. If you love Colgate, here's another deal for $4.50 products. We have a $4 reward when you buy 2, and it's probably going to be $2 off of a mouth rinse or a toothbrush and one of the toothpastes. Grabbing 2 of them for $9, subtracting two $2 coupons, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per toothpaste or toothbrush. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. All the parents out there, this is a great deal. 2 for $20 on the Huggies, and it's still that promotion of spend $35, get back $10. You can do this curbside or in-store, you pick. Let's pair it with this booster, which is a 7-back when you spend $35. You're spending $35 on diapers, so you'll get a $10 register reward or $10 in Walgreens cash, and then your 7 back depending how you do the dealio. So grabbing 3 bags of the Huggies, and yes, the third one will ring up for $10. That is $30. And then 2 bags of the $3 wipes for $6. So that's $36 altogether. Have your digital booster loaded, which is 7 back when you spend $35. Currently, we have $1.50 digital. So with your debit card, you'll pay $34.50, pardon me, with your debit card. Get back $17 in Walgreens cash. Or if you're doing it in store, you'll get a $10 register reward and $7 in Walgreens cash, making it $17.50 for the 5 items, or $3.50 per product. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as you're using that spend booster. And the promotion for Huggies is to spend $35 to earn back $10. Okay, now a deal for the Shik $9, $6.99 disposable fancier razors and a shave cream. It's on a promotion of 5 back when you spend $20. Another spend offer, and the devil is in the details over at Walgreens. So let's grab one of the fancier Shik razors for $9.99, like an Intuition, or one of the fancier men's ones. One of the Shik disposables for $6.99. Both of those have $4 digitals, and then one Skintimate shave gel for $3.49 for a grand total of $20.47. And shave gel also has a $1 coupon. Subtracting 9 off of that, with your debit card, pay $11.47 and then get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $6.47 for the 3 or $2.15 per product. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, as the offer is to spend $20 to earn back $5 on Shik products. It's a spend deal. Angel Soft has a pretty good promotion for us, 2 for $9, $3 reward when you buy 3, and then we also have a $1.50 off 3 digital coupon. Grabbing 3 of these, it's going to be $13.50. Subtracting that digital, you'll pay $12. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $9 for the 3 or $3 per bag of toilet paper. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first is this. IBOTTA has a $4 rebate for the larger Arm & Hammers. I'm curious if they're going to be $8.99, $9.99. What is the buy-in price for that this week? If you have store register rewards, that would be a smart thing to pick up with the IBOTTA rebate. And then this, the Old Spice Olay at $7. And then we have $5 reward when you buy 3, and then a digital coupon that's also quite spectacular. Will IBOTTA have something back for this? Yes or no? If they do, possibly a deal. And 2 for $5 for the aluminum foil by the brand Complete Home, which is a Walgreens brand. Very good price point. Oscar Mayer bacon, 2 for $10, makes it $5 a pack. That is cheaper than any grocery store, so definite stock up price. The Belvitas are 2 for $8, another good morning cracker, $4 a box if you need to stock up. And now we have the Nice brand, which is a Walgreens brand, this trail mix for $1.78. I love this stuff. I used to eat it all the time. We have $6.99 K-Cups, and this is a 12 count, and 3 for $14.99 for the Coke or Dr. Pepper Canada Dry products. How adorable is this little squishy? I think it's about $19.99 in store. I mean, if you had some extra register rewards to burn, either that or some of the new Claire's products at Walgreens, so adorable and cute. Easily blow through $50 in Walgreens cash, especially with this cute Claire stuff. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.